Glory to Ukraine!
Glory to heroes!
Glory to Ukraine!
Glory to heroes!
Glory to Ukraine!
Glory to heroes!
God bless America!
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 Russia is a terrorist state!
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 Putin is a war criminal!
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 Stand with Ukraine!
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 More weapons for 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 Ukraine!
Слава Україні! Слава Україні! Слава Україні!
Героям слава!
Дякую, друже і сім'я. Thank you very much, everyone who's here. As we've already mentioned, this is 70 rallies, 70 consecutive weeks of doing this. And there's no end in sight, unfortunately. But I always like to remind people that the day of victory is getting closer with every single one of these we do. We don't know when victory is going to come. We don't know what it's going to look like. But we do know one thing, that it is coming. I always like to say as well at these speeches, it's not if Ukraine's going to win, it's when Ukraine is going to win. We know that, and we continue to push that message forward to remind the world around us that this war is going on and is still continuing. We try to have a bit of a celebratory mood here because there's a lot of reasons to be sad. But in my experience, all things Ukrainian are happy, joyful, standing for life, light, freedom, the good things that we often take for granted in this world. I majored in history when I got my undergrad, and I'm telling you right now that the values that the United States holds central to its identity are the same values that Ukraine is fighting for and proving right now.